Whether you're gearing up for your driving test or just brushing up on essential road knowledge, this video has you covered. We'll walk you through 50 crucial road signs that every driver should recognize to stay safe and confident on the road. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable driving tips. Let's dive in. When you see a stop sign, it means you must come to a complete halt before proceeding. Always check for oncoming traffic and pedestrians. A yield sign instructs drivers to slow down and give way to other vehicles before entering the road. Be prepared to stop if necessary. The no entry sign means vehicles are not allowed to enter this road from this direction. Obeying this sign prevents wrong-way driving. A speed limit sign sets the maximum or minimum speed allowed on a road. Always adjust your speed according to road and weather conditions. A pedestrian crossing sign warns drivers to slow down and watch for pedestrians crossing the road. Always be ready to stop. What does this road sign indicate? It's B, no entry sign. Can you tell what this road sign means? It's A, stop sign. Do you know what this sign stands for? It's B, pedestrian crossing sign. Entering a school zone, drivers should reduce speed and stay alert for children. School zones often have lower speed limits for safety. The road narrows sign means the driving lanes will become tighter ahead. Reduce speed and stay centered in your lane. A curve to the right sign warns of an upcoming right bend. Drivers should slow down to navigate safely. Similarly, a curve to the left sign alerts you to a leftward turn ahead. Maintain a safe speed to avoid skidding. A dead-end sign means the road does not continue. Drivers should prepare to turn around or take an alternate route. The road ahead may be dangerous when wet. This slippery. When wet sign warns of reduced traction. Drive carefully and maintain control. A steep hill. Upwards ahead sign warns drivers to prepare for an uphill climb. Adjust gears accordingly to maintain power. What is the purpose of this road sign? It's C, road narrows sign. Have you seen this road sign before? It's B, slippery when wet ahead sign. What does this sign tell drivers? It's A, school zone sign. When you see a no left turn sign, turning left at this intersection is not permitted. Follow alternate routes if needed. The no right turn sign means making a right turn here is strictly prohibited. Drivers should plan their route accordingly. Approaching a railroad crossing, all vehicles must slow down and check for trains before proceeding. Some crossings may have barriers or flashing lights. The traffic signals ahead Sign alerts drivers to upcoming traffic lights. Be prepared to stop or adjust your speed. A no overtaking sign prohibits passing other vehicles in this area. Stay in your lane to avoid accidents. A motorway junction. A head sign notifies drivers of an upcoming highway exit or merging point. Plan your lane changes early. The merge left sign warns that traffic will be merging from the left. Be aware of entering vehicles and adjust speed accordingly. Can you identify this road sign? It's B, railroad crossing sign. Do you recognize this traffic sign? It's C, no overtaking sign. What rule does this road sign enforce? It's B, no left turn sign. The maximum speed limit, 50 kilometers per hour sign means drivers must not exceed 50 kilometers per hour on this road. At this point, the end of speed limit zone sign indicates that previous speed restrictions no longer apply. Follow the new speed regulations ahead. A school crossing sign means a designated pedestrian crossing near a school is ahead. Always slow down and give priority to children crossing. A bus stop sign indicates an area where buses pick up and drop off passengers. Be cautious of pedestrians in this zone. Roadworks ahead warns drivers of ongoing construction. Expect delays and drive carefully in these areas. The handicapped accessible sign marks areas with facilities for disabled individuals, such as ramps or parking spaces. What warning does this sign give? It's A, school crossing sign. What does this sign indicate to drivers? It's C, end of speed limit zone sign. A no pedestrians or bicycles sign means people on foot and cyclists are prohibited from using this road. Be alert for horse-drawn vehicles. These slow-moving carriages require extra caution when overtaking. A sharp reverse curve to the left sign warns of an abrupt change in direction. Reduce speed and maintain control. A stop before crossing. Police ahead sign means a mandatory stop is required, usually for security or toll checks. A steep ascent sign means a steep uphill section is ahead. Use appropriate gearing to maintain momentum. The ice or snowdrift sign warns of slippery conditions caused by snow or ice accumulation. Reduce speed and drive with caution. A reverse curve to the right sign means the road bends one way, then quickly changes direction. Approach with care. The end of dual carriageway sign means the road transitions from a divided highway to a single-lane road. Drive cautiously. A vehicles may be parked. Partially on the verge sign permits partial parking on the roadside, usually to ease traffic flow. Have you ever come across this road sign? It's B, ice or snowdrift sign. Can you tell what this traffic sign is for? It's B, end of dual carriageway sign. What restriction does this sign show? It's C, no pedestrians or bicycles sign. The Watch for Fallen Rock sign warns of possible rock debris on the road. Drive slowly in these areas. A pedestrian push-button sign indicates a crossing point where pedestrians can press a button to activate traffic signals. A stop sign. A head warning prepares drivers to slow down and be ready to stop at the next intersection. When a lane ends, merge right sign appears. Drivers must move into the right lane as the left lane is ending. The no turn sign means no left, right, or U-turns are allowed at the upcoming intersection. A wild animals sign warns of potential animal crossings. Be alert, especially in forested or rural areas. The bicycle crossing ahead sign means cyclists may be crossing the road. Reduce speed and yield if necessary. A maximum speed 60 miles per hour sign sets the legal speed limit at 60 miles per hour. Adjust speed accordingly. This railroad crossing with 3 striped warning sign serves as a countdown marker. Each stripe helps drivers gauge the distance to the railway crossing. What should drivers be aware of when they see this sign? It's B, lane ends, merge. Do you recognize this symbol on the road? It's C, no turns sign. What instruction does this sign give pedestrians? It's A, pedestrian push-button sign. The exit sign marks an upcoming highway or motorway exit. Ensure you are in the correct lane in advance. The end of no parking zone sign allows vehicles to park beyond this point. Check local regulations for time restrictions. A maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign means drivers must not exceed 20 miles per hour. These zones often have heavy pedestrian activity. The litter container sign marks the location of a trash disposal bin. Dispose of waste properly to keep the area clean. A yield to oncoming traffic sign means drivers must give way to vehicles coming from the opposite direction. The vehicles exceeding height, indicated prohibited sign, means taller vehicles cannot pass due to clearance restrictions. Finally, a no passing for trucks sign prohibits large vehicles from overtaking others in this zone. That wraps up our guide on essential road signs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more driving tips and road safety guides. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.